phases of design thinking, starting with empathize, problem definition, ideation, prototyping, finally testing and implementation. Up to prototyping you will be doing maybe repeatedly, and then you go with the testing. If your testing is successful, you can proceed in implementing your product. Okay. Suppose it requires some improvement, retuning, refinement, then again you go back to your prototyping or ideation or any stage. So iteratively we will be doing it. So normally we say that it is a non-linear system. Though it is a systematic approach, it doesn't get executed linearly, because from any phase you may go back to any other phases. Okay. So then your final, fifth unit is about you are going to apply innovation on making a product. Okay. The product could be of anything. Maybe a product which can be visible physically, or it can be visible, or it can be of any services or any system. Irrespective of what kind of product it is, we will be able to apply the design thinking technique on it. Fine. Right. So we started this unit with strategic management. So each and every organization or a company or for whom you are going to develop something, they may have certain strategies. Okay. So they will have certain goals and objectives. So when you are applying innovation on it, when you are applying design thinking on it, you even need to consider their strategy. Okay. So to deal about the strategy, they will have a group of people who will be managing the thing. What are all the strategies, whether all those things are followed, how we are going to implement it. Suppose any flaw over there or any of the strategy, how to overcome that or how we are going to improve it, all those things will be handled or taken care by a team of people, and that team is called a management. So strategic management. So about that detail we discussed in the last class. Similarly, innovation management. So the strategy management is completely not about the updation or innovation or design thinking. They don't know what it is. Okay. So they imagine a person who wants to start a business or who is running a business, who has no aware of the current trend or updation, technology or people mindset, nothing he knows about it. But his thing is always he must be in the first in the market. The first place that he must always be there. That is what is his strategy. For that, whatever you want, you do. I am ready to spend any amount of money. Okay, or you can recruit a number of people. You can change any policy. But I want to be the first in the market, in that particular product or in that whatever it may be. Okay, business. I should be the top person. I should be always number one businessman in that particular domain. That is only his strategy. To achieve that strategy, whatever you are asking, he is ready to do that. Only that is about strategy. Whereas on the other end, it is going to deal about the innovation. So innovation, you know that it may be a updation on the existing system, or it may start from the scratch. Lot of things we know about the innovation. Okay. So this how I am going to innovate a particular thing, whether I am going to update or to update that, how I am going to foster the culture of innovation in my organization. To achieve that, what are all the things we are going to do? So I need to collaborate a different team of people. I need to do ideation. For that I require this facility. I want to conduct a workshop to educate my people. Like whatever you want to achieve innovation, you can do it. And to implement that, there will be a team of people who will be working on it. That is about innovation management. So innovation management is managing the innovation for the industry. Now we are going to incorporate both of them. Strategic management, innovation management. So the innovation what you are giving for a product, for the organization, for a system, it should abide by this strategic management also. So it should not spoil the strategy of the management. So you are bringing a new system to the industry or to the organization, to the institution, where it is going to spoil the strategy of that organization. organization, then both are not going on the right track. So the innovation should abide the policies of the strategic management too. Then we say that strategic innovation. Strategic innovation. So innovation comes by following or by abiding some policies of the strategic management. We say that strategic innovation. Okay, right. So whenever we talk about innovation, obviously our design thinking comes to picture. So we know what is strategic management, what is innovation management, and what is strategic innovation. So now, how you are going to incorporate design thinking and strategic innovation. So again, all these things we will be following, identifying unmet needs. People are having some requirement or need, but it is not yet met. Okay, it is not done yet. So that thing needs to be identified. See, a person who is running the institution, who wants everyone to be happy in his institution. Students, faculties, or the IMR, the canteen, attendant, office people, whoever it may be, they must come so happily to the institution. They should enjoy their work. It is not just like we should work. If they give a holiday, they should feel like when I will go back to college. That is his intention. Whoever comes to my gate, they should come so happily. That is his strategy. Okay, so a team of people, the innovation people are bringing some system which is making discomfort for these people. Okay, some are happy but many are not feeling happy. They are not able to adopt the system. Okay, so they are not happy. Their requirement is that either you educate us how to use the system, or we don't want the system at all. So you must understand what is my need. You must know what capacity I am having. Only then I will be able to enjoy my work. Okay, so there I need to identify if students are happy with the system. Fine, I don't have to worry about it. Okay, whereas on the other community, people are finding difficulty in using certain system. Okay, there I have to identify their problem, then I need to find out the solution to solve that problem. Get my point? So innovation is there, and it has to go along with the strategic management of the institution, where I am incorporating design thinking over there. So what are all the things we can do? Number one, identify the unmet needs. The need is not satisfied. That needs to be identified. That may be one or many. Next, creating user-centered solution. You have identified a team of people are not happy about it. Talk to them. Identify their problem. Okay, and then if I give this kind of solution, whether this will make them happy, try with them. Give lot of solutions and check their satisfaction level. Okay, and then you can go with that system. Next, promoting collaboration. So in a team of people, let us consider some 20 IMAs are there. In that, some 5 people are good, like they are able to adopt the system. The rest of the people are not in that condition. If I go and teach them, explain them, they are feeling, having some hesitation. If the IMAs, the first 5 IMAs who know the system, if they are able to help them out, or if they are asking, we want some more time to learn that system. So you give that, collaborate among themselves. Then it may be you may meet the satisfaction of them, right? So you promote the collaboration among them. One person who is working in this block, okay, they are very familiar in handling the students who are in this block. Suddenly this IMA is shifted to other block, that IMA is coming over there, who is not knowing about this people mindset and all that, due to which she is facing a lot of problem. So when there is a collaboration among them, she will teach here. Some 2 days you stay back and tell this class students will behave like this people will be like that. So whenever there is a break, you have to follow them and they will not come back again. So you need to just keep on shouting something, some ideas she may give, and then she will also be able to cope up that, right? Collaboration among themselves. So you Get up, you two. What do you mean by rapid prototyping? I said get up. Don't you understand? Tell me, what do you mean by rapid prototyping? Rahul, answer. What do you mean by rapid prototyping? Harinder.
And the rapid prototype means rapid refers to the speed of the prototype, which we should instantly have the idea of doing it. It's called as rapid prototype.
Come again.
Rapid prototype means the term rapid refers to the speed. So the rapid prototype, the full form is speed, fast, soon.
How fast you react while doing the prototyping. Okay, so you make one phase of it, you test it, and you find some flaws over there. Immediately you make a change and proceed to the next level of your prototype. So fast you have to do everything. You cannot wait for the end, or you cannot take very long duration to complete a prototyping. So I have given you kind of example and all. You do something on Monday, Tuesday, you test it, Wednesday again you make a change on it, Thursday. So within a week that will be completed, so that we will be able to move faster. That is called rapid prototyping. So rapid, not you both. So rapid prototyping is also one of the very important characteristics or attributes of the design thinking, which is used for strategic innovation. Next comes to focus on experimentation. Focus on experimentation. We should always, like you would have that experience in your IAP itself, right? So we try something, we may fail in that. Adhikara, we should not stop with that itself. We should go ahead and doing lot of experimentation on that. So that characteristics must be there, because that comes from the design thinking that needs to be adopted by this strategic innovation. So these are the various very important requirement or culture fostered to the strategic innovation from the design thinking. Identify unmet needs, creating user-centered always. Whenever we face in the design thinking, it is always a customer-centered or user-centered solution. Okay. So next, promoting collaboration. So these are all the qualities or characteristics or attributes of the design thinking, we can say. Okay. Fine. So next topic is art of innovation. Again, this will be like this only, art of innovation. So for innovation, what are all the things you require? Innovation. So we need to encourage creativity and experimentation. So creativity or creative principle are the basic building blocks of design thinking or innovation. Okay. So anything you think creatively and you are able to give a realistic shape for that or implement realistically, then it becomes a innovation. When it takes application for the same, we say that innovation. When you are able to sell it in the market through which you are able to generate income or economy, then we say it is all innovation. Okay. So creativity is one of the very important aspect or requirement for the innovation. Next comes to fostering a culture of collaboration. So whatever you know in the design thinking, same one day will come for innovation, because design thinking is for the innovation. Design thinking is a technique to go for innovation or to create an innovative product or idea. Okay. So foster the culture of collaboration. You should work collaboratively. Only then multiple diversified ideas will be generated, so that you will be able to get a innovative product or innovative ideas out of it. Embracing failures as a learning opportunity. So when you fail on something, you should not be disappointed. Consider that as an opportunity to move further for the success. Okay. Once you fail, identify why I failed. Where now I need to change on myself. So that will lead for the success. So next comes to seeking diverse perspective, and that is the reason we go for collaboration. So when you are collaborating, we should not always collaborate like-minded or like-skilled people. We should always have a collaboration of diversified skilled people, like different department, different expertise should be collaborated. Okay. Whenever we talk about the product, of course, manufacturing will be one, and internally there will be a software using, and the aesthetic look will be given by separate department people. Later that needs to reach the market. Okay. So market kundu poradhukku another team will be there. Again, how do you sell the product? Okay. So then you may give some incentive for that, or you may give some concession for that. You may give some offer for that. Those things and all should be taken care by the marketing people. Like, so you involve various diversified skilled people in the design thinking. So that is very important for the innovation. So next comes to balancing short-term goals with the long-term vision. This will be applicable to you. Okay, you are in the first year. Your short-term vision is that this level of output I need to give. That needs to be extended. Okay, so to bring your idea to the market, it should be a long-term goal. So any product must be like that only. So first I have to sell my product within my area, and my turnover must be this much. Slowly I should extend. Then I should target. I should be the number one businessman in the state, in the country, in the world. It is like that. Okay, you start with the smaller range and then extend to the longer. So your vision should be started with the small and it should go till the long. So your short-term vision should go with the long-term vision. So then empathizing with the end user. Always this is required. It is not only to start the process. So when you are initiating the process, of course we do do a user study, user research and all. Later, after releasing the product also, you must have empathy with the user, how they are happy with my product. After certain point of time, or some other company has launched another product which may be comfortable to them, and at that time also I should see the comparative study, comparative analysis with the user. Accordingly, I need to make some improvement on my product. So I should keep improving my product. So you have so many best examples for that your mobile phone itself. Okay. So starting with a few features now, every now and then they are going on adding the features into that. Okay. That all comes from the empathy with the users only. They do interact with the users. They understand what do they require, what do they need. Accordingly, they are doing it. To be an innovative product, always we must have empathy with the user. Okay. So we can say they are all the art of innovation. So the last topic of your unit 5 is about product. We are talking always about product. What is product? What do you say as product? Anything which we are selling in the market. Anything that people are buying are able to use it is called a product. The product can be of anything. That may be a bottle, soap, anything it could be, or it may be a software, or it may be a security system I am purchasing, like our agency level and bringing some securities. Okay, so they are having certain systems. How do they supply the security? Like every week one security will be given, or morning shift to one person, night shift to one person, or every 8 hours there will be a person. Like they may follow certain systems to improvise the security, or to have a better discipline among them. They may follow some system. It may be of anything. Everything is called a product only. Okay, whatever you buy by giving some money is called a product. Anything you give money and get the thing is called a product. The product could be of anything what you see, or we can say tangible and intangible product. Tangible product is anything you buy and use, like your mobile phone, TV, photo stand, bottle, pencil, whatever it may be. We say it is all tangible product. Intangible product, certain systems. Okay, we will only use that system. For that also we will be paying. Suppose you are getting one nurse to take care of a patient at your home. There you are not purchasing that nurse. You are only paying and getting the service done by that particular system. You understand? So like that also can be an innovative system. There also you can bring some innovation. Even nursing the thing also can be innovative. Education is a system. Education is not a what I'm imparting the knowledge to you now. That is a system. Okay, for that I am paid. For that you are paying. Here you are not purchasing me, but you are getting the knowledge through this system. Get my point? So anything you are able to buy by giving some cash, we say it is all product. The product can be classified into various types, but majorly it is a tangible and intangible. Got it? Right. So now the classification of the product would be of consumer goods. Anybody can answer for this? Consumer goods. These terms are very familiar to you only. Yes, here. Get up. Consumer goods. Have you ever heard this? Consumer goods means what? You go and buy some items from the market. Are you a consumer? When we are consuming something, we are consumer, right? We are using that. We buy and use it. So I become a consumer. So anything is purchased by a person or a group of people and they are using it for their own purpose. You are purchasing mobile phone for your purpose. You are purchasing bag for your purpose. You are purchasing shoes for your purpose. Okay, so these kind of products are called consumer goods. That may be utilized for the house or for a particular person or for a group of people or for a particular company or a college, school, any institution. We say it is all consumer goods. Okay, anything is consumed by a person or a group of people or a company, we say it is consumer goods. Okay, so the second type is industrial goods. Industrial goods. So a company, a manufacturing company is there, they are purchasing various raw materials and then they are making it. So such goods are called industrial goods that cannot be sold out directly. They are buying raw materials and they are making something else out of it. Only that will be sold out in the market. So industrial goods cannot be consumed directly by the consumer. That could be only utilized by the manufacturers. Got it? That is called industrial goods. Any raw materials, we can say industrial goods. Next comes to convenience goods. Convenience goods. So from the term itself you can say convenience goods. So a product which will give me more convenient, I can say it is a convenience goods. See, I have a remote using which I can switch on or off my AC. I have another remote using which I can control my TV. But when I have another device which is used to control all the electronics device of my house, which gives me more convenience. Right? So anything gives me more convenience. So you have a two-wheeler or four-wheeler with extraordinary features which gives you more comfort and convenience. You say they are all convenience goods. Convenience goods. They will be having their basic qualities in addition to give more convenient. It is having some more features too. Shopping products. Shopping products. Can anyone say shopping products will be listed all those things? Specialty. Specialty products and unsought products. I can give you one more explanation for this. For convenience goods, it could be of many items are available your tea, you may go with maybe cookies or marigold. Suppose you want to give for the children, they prefer Oreo. I don't remember the biscuit names. Yeah, it is all like you are able to make it up. There are so many items available on the same. So many brands are available on the same. We are able to make comparison easily and purchase, which will be of less expensive. Okay, that we can call it as convenience use. One thing is that according to your convenience, you are able to differentiate and select the thing. In other words, I can say that you are able to make a comparison easily. Next comes to shopping goods. So this shopping goods, I can say exactly opposite to this. Maybe little higher price, but there also we can make a comparison. So it can be of all appliances of house. Okay, so we have refrigerator or AC kind of thing. There also you make a comparison, but not with all features. Okay, you cannot make easy comparison like your snacks. Snacks you buy for 50 rupees or 100 rupees, immediately you taste and then make a comparison. But this thing, yeah, somebody is telling, so I am accepting it. No, I should use and have a comparison. That will be very difficult with the shopping. So with only few things we will be able to make a comparison, not the complete thing. It will be of expensive comparison, which we call it as shopping product. Next comes to specialty goods. So this I can say you have a product of normal features like we prefer iPhone, we have another smartphone, but still you are crazy to buy iPhone. Why? It has got some extraordinary features. It has got some extraordinary features. Some product may have some wow features in it. Wow features in it. Those kind of products we call it as specialty product. That will be a prestige. That will be pride. Okay, some people will being a big status man, I should carry this mobile only. I should have BMW car only. I should have this kind of car only. That is like those kind of products only we call it as specialty product. Car, everybody can use. But these people alone, because I am in a very big status, I have to carry this. Okay. Next comes to unsought goods. Available in the market, but we don't require all the time. It is available in the market, but the requirement of that comes very rarely. Very, very rarely. I can say 108 ambulance are available, but we don't require always. Whenever any accident situation comes only, we call. Okay? No, the last thing. So those things and all, it requires only when it requires. There are certain goods which are available on the market, but we don't use it always. Whenever it requires alone. So that comes under unsought goods. It is there, but whenever the requirement comes alone, we go for it. But when we take the snacks and all, we don't see in that manner. Okay, very rarely when something we require, we say unsought goods. Okay, so there are so many examples for your innovative products. Can you please list out few innovative products in the market? Samin, please answer for this. Some innovative products on the market available currently. Then what for your study? I really don't understand. Yes? Apple iPhone, that is the innovative product. Okay, then Tesla car, innovative product. Swiggy Zomato, innovative. Ola, okay, so now it is a task for you. Take a paper and write minimum 20 innovative products in your paper. Okay, so let me see the answer at the end of this class. With this, all the topics are over. You go through your entire book anyway. You find any doubts or difficulty, you can approach me. So next week full, you will be having classes where I will give you time to learn something and then you can write